Hey, I got to show y'all something. Remember the other day when I went walking and I found those two coins and we found out and you told me that they were pennies? Look what I found today. Ha ha. Look at that. That's the one I found today. It's different. It is silver. It has some guy on the front, but that's definitely not Abraham Lincoln. And then on the back, it's got like some kind of building or mansion or something. So I wonder what kind of coin I found today. Let's go find out. So today we will identify the characteristics of the nickel. How will we do this? We will look at nickels and discuss what we notice about the nickel. Why are we doing this? It is important to be able to identify and describe a nickel. Remember, a cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar. It's the amount of money that is less than a dollar. Whoa! The nickel is a coin made both of copper and nickel that has Thomas Jefferson on it. He was another important president. Traditionally, nickels feature the side of Thomas Jefferson's face. But in 2006, the nickel was changed to show the front of his face. So this is an old nickel and a new nickel. Old nickel, new nickel. Old nickel, new nickel. Old nickel, new nickel. You get the hint, right? So now if we look at the back of the nickel, it has stayed the same through the years. This is a picture of Monticello. This was Thomas Jefferson's house. Wow, wouldn't you love to live in a house like that? Whew. I would hate to clean it though. So the old nickel has the side of his face, like so. The new nickel has the front of his face, and the back has a picture of his home, Monticello. A nickel is worth 5 cents. That's the same as 5 pennies. Sure about that? A nickel is worth 5 cents. Want to see that again? 5 cents. A nickel is 5 cents. How much money is a nickel? 5 cents. Very good. Very good listening. Now let's see if we can describe a nickel. Remember yesterday we had the penny on our anchor chart. We said it was brown and round and it had Abraham Lincoln and a Lincoln Memorial and the Union Shield on them. And they were all worth 1 cent. Today we're looking at the nickel. And some nickels have the side of Thomas Jefferson's face. And some nickels have the front of his face. But all the nickels have the back with the picture of his home, Monticello. What can you tell me about the nickel? What do you notice? You notice that it's silver. That's right. It looks silver. You notice that it is round. And you notice that it has Thomas Jefferson on the front. That's right. And you notice that it is bigger than a penny. It is larger than a penny. If I put them side by side, you'll be able to see that one is larger than the other. So here we have my nickel that I found today and one of the pennies that I found the other day. We can see that the nickel is larger than the penny. They are both round. One is silver and one is copper. What else do you notice about these two coins or about the nickel? It's worth how much? 5 cents. So the penny is worth 1 cent and the nickel is worth 5 cents. That is some great remembering that our penny is 1 cent and our nickel is 5 cents. So now that we've come back to this page, we can tell that the nickel is worth more money than the penny, right? We know that 5 is greater than 1. Because we learned about greater than and less than. 1 is less than 5. So we know that the penny is worth less money. And a nickel is worth how much? 5 cents. You got it. So for today's independent practice, you are going to practice writing the cent symbol again. Remember that C with the line through it? Then you are going to fill in the blanks at the bottom of this page. It says this coin is called what's this coin called? Nickel. And it is worth, you already forgot, what? How much? 5 cents. So you're going to write 5 cents in the blank. Then on this page, you are going to click on the pen and circle all of the nickels. Save and turn into your teacher. Now I have a question for you. Ready? Okay. Let's see how well you were paying attention. Remember, this is the old nickel with his face to the side. And this is the new nickel with his face to the front. Who can tell me what nickel I found? Did I find an old nickel or a new nickel? Who was watching? Let's go back. Let's go look and see which one it was. Look, which way is his face showing? It's showing to the side. So that is an old nickel. It's an old nickel because he is looking to the side. The new ones have him looking forward. So for today's assignment, after you finish tracing your cent signs and filling in the blank about this coin, what it is called and how much it is worth, and then you circle all of the nickels, you are going to watch a money video, extra math, iStation math. And now we're going to think about what we learned today. What did you learn today? You learned that a cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar. That's an amount of money that is less than $1. That a nickel is a coin made both of copper and a nickel has Thomas Jefferson on it. And in 2006, the nickel was changed to show the front of his face. That this is an old nickel and this is a new nickel. But the back of the nickel still has his home, which is called Monticello. A nickel is worth how much? I think y'all need to see that again. How much? 5 cents. That's right. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Good job paying attention. How much is a nickel worth? It's the same as what? It's the same as 5 pennies. That is correct. Now, that is all I have for you today. So come back tomorrow and let's see what else we can learn about nickels. Bye. Have a good day.